discontinuity. Removable discontinuity. This occurs when there is a hole in the graph of the function. Jump discontinuity. This occurs when the graph of the function stops at one point. Infinite discontinuity. At least one point of the two limits is infinite. So hi guys, these are the types of discontinuities. Removable, jump, and infinite. So paano natin malalaman kung ito ay removable, jump, at infinite? So first, malalaman mo kung ang discontinuity ay removable if meron siyang hole, like for example like this, meron siyang hole, then here. Yan ay ang example ng removable. Now, ang jump naman is ganito, meron siya ganyan, then dito siya magkakaroon siya ng point, and then that point. Ngayon po, tignan naman natin ang infinite discontinuity. This is an example of infinite discontinuity po. Dahil po, yung limit from the left does exist at wala pong limit from the right. So, this will be an infinite discontinuity. Another example po is this. So, y is equals to 1 over x. This will be infinite discontinuity also po. Dahil po, the limit from the right ay papunta sa positive infinity. At yung limit from the left po is papunta sa negative infinity, which is infinite. So, this is my first example, which is x squared minus 4 over x minus 2. So, ang first step natin na gagawin is factor out natong x squared minus 4. So, magiging x plus 2 siya. And then, x minus 2. All over x minus 2. Since pwede natin i-cancel yung x minus 2 and then x minus 2, we have to cancel it. Natira is x plus 2. Since meron tayo na cancel, magkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag na whole. So, ang whole natin is x equals to 2. So, the graph will look like this. Ito siya magsisimula. Let's say this is 2. And then, tuloy siya, inaangal siya. Tapos, dito magkakaroon siya ng that. And that is a removable discontinuity. Ulit ako sa example which is 5 over x plus 2, where x plus 2 cannot be 0 because it is the vertical asymptote. Ito po ay vertical asymptote, which is negative 2. Then x is equals not negative 2. So, since ang vertical asymptote natin is negative 2, so, the graph will look like this. So, negative 1 and then negative 2, this will be our asymptote. And the graph will look like this. So, as you can see po, this is a asymptotic or infinite discontinuity. Example is a piecewise function. So, the graph of this will be like this. So, x squared, where x is less than or equal to 0, is 1. This will be the graph. Yan. Tapos, 1, where x is greater than 0. So, 1. So, lalayan tayo ng line here. As you can see po, nag-hop siya. So, this will be a jump. discontinuity. This is an example of jump discontinuity. We have another example, which is f of x is equals to 2x plus 3, or x is equals to 1. So, first step natin dyan is substitute 1 to all x's. So, f of 1 is equals to 2 times 1 plus 3. The answer will be 5. And then, use the limit, where limit as x approaches to 1 is equals to limit approaches to x, x approaches to 1, then 2x plus 3. And then substitute 1 again to x, which is 2 times 1 plus 3, that will be 5. So, mangyayari is, after nyan, f of 1 is equals to 5, which is 5. And then, limit of x approaches to 1 of f of x is equals to 5 equals to 5. Therefore, limit of x approaches to 1 of f of x is equals to f of 1. Then f of x is continuous at x equals 1. Parehas silang 5 and 5.